Hey guys. So, whoa. It's about midnight right now. Bad news. I'm supposed to grab my car, my vehicle, and drive it down the other side of town to go drop it off at the mechanic. And then I have also a doctor's appointment tomorrow. And all of this I'm dealing with while going to school. I got my family coming on Thursday. They're gonna be here for Thursday and Friday, so I have to hang out with them. I have a minute. But anyways, the car won't start. I'm parked in my friend's visitor section, and the landlord says, "Get that car out of here." And it's like, okay, we'll get it out of there. And I was planning to drive it. I was planning to get it out of there tonight, a few hours ago, and it wouldn't even. It won't even start, and I don't know what to do. So now I gotta get a tow truck and get it towed on the other side of town and park it somewhere. Hope the cops don't notice me, so I don't get a second fine. Jesus Christ. This is so much shit. I gotta do that, and I got homework. I gotta work this weekend. Yeah, I think I remember talking about how I put my 2 weeks in. I may have put them in at the wrong time, but I don't know. I'm in too much pain. I don't know if I could handle it anymore. I'm just hurting. Everything hurts. So, I don't know. It's just really bad. Life is not fun right now. I mean, it's not that it's not fun. It's just, this is normal. This is how it always is, it seems like, It's just. Life is either crappy or really, really crappy. Like, it's either crappy or shitty, all the time. But on top of all of this, like, I don't even have my computer back, yeah. Yeah, my editor is still using it to edit it. Man, it's just freaking out, I need the computer back. Just don't know what to do,
Okay, put in the park.
Okay. Okay, there he goes. So, and there's my mechanic right there. Whoa, what a night, huh? Man. Spent about $185 of money I don't really have. I don't know what to do. I'm parked in a 15-minute parking zone. All of this chaos is because of this ticket right here. This $25 ticket turned out to be a $185 tow. And now, but no, I have to pay the ticket, so it's going to be, $210. All because of that. If it wasn't for this ticket, I wouldn't have moved my vehicle originally to my work parking, you know, and then I wouldn't have I wouldn't have been so paranoid to leave my car to go meet with my editor. I wouldn't have driven my car to his house and parked in the visitor parking. And then my car wouldn't have stalled there. It just stopped working. It's frustrating. It's frustrating, depressing. I don't know. I guess it's like one of those things that could have been worse, you know, kind of devaluates the horrible situation I just experienced, but still, I guess you can always say that. Could have been worse. You could have been raped, you know, and had car trouble. But, I guess it's time to go to sleep. I gotta wake up at like 6 a.m. It's about 1 now, about 1:30. I just... I don't know. Oh, man, I kind of want to cry, but it's hard. It's hard to cry. It's like I just can't do it. Anyways, I'm hungry. I gotta pee. I don't know. I'm tired. I gotta go sleep. Anyways, thanks for the ticket, government.